Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make coconut puff puff. Puff puff, as the name suggests, is puffy, sweet, slightly crunchy on the outside, and soft on the inside. Puff puff is a very common African street food and a popular snack. This version of puff puff has a coconut flavor to it, making it extra delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using coconut oil to give the puff puff an extra coconut flavor. Puff puff can only be deep fried, so I prefer to use a small pot or pan because that would require less oil. The bigger the pan, the more the oil. You can either use your hand, a measuring spoon, or an ice cream scoop. I want the small sized coconut puff puff, so I will be using the 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. Dip the spoon in oil before taking the batter to allow it slide out easily. I love coconuts, so I always like to dip the coconut puff puff in desiccated coconut to give it that extra coconut flavor. This coconut puff puff is so good. Let's hear a child's perspective.
I like coconut puff puff because it's yummy. It's my favorite.
So you need to try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.